Hi, welcome to Family's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making summer rolls and lettuce wrap with belly pork and mackerel. Start by pre-washing your meat and your fish with salt and water. Then just slice either side lightly. Help the marinade seep in. Make sure you pat dry with a kitchen towel. This will help the marinade stick to the meat and fish. And do the same with the mackerel. Once done, depending on how much meat you have, here we just use 1 tablespoon of the marinade. Same with the mackerel. Make sure you rub it in well. That's it. Clean film and refrigerate for about 40 minutes or until you're ready to eat. Once done, you can put it in the oven, barbecue, grill. Today we're using an air fryer, so we'd recommend about 160 for about 20 minutes. That's it. Prep your salad. Any combination of salad will do really, as long as it's leafy and crunchy. You could even add rice noodles to this or an omelette sliced into thin slices. Once the meat is cooked, slice into bite-sized thin pieces. We like to keep our fish whole. That's it. Looks amazing, right? Dipping sauce, you can use any dipping sauce. Today we can use the tamarind dipping sauce, but you can use sweet chili, fish sauce, anything really. I think Ava wants to try. My wife likes eating it with the lettuce wrap, but my daughter likes to use rice paper. Dip it in water, add your salad, your meat, bit of fish, just wrap and enjoy. Please subscribe for more videos.